This is another section where we have a lot of sunflowers in the garden. Happy to say they grew here. I wasn't too sure because we have lots of little rabbits that live around, cottontails, bunnies. And I wasn't sure they wouldn't eat them like they did last year. So I studied and saw what might deter the little critters, because I love them too, but I wanted to have a nice sunflower garden for the bees and the butterflies and the birds. So in our garden, what deterred the little critters was bone meal. So I've left them alone, I'm so glad to say. And it helped the plants a great deal because it's a fertilizer. And we had the best of both worlds.